welcome back everyone. This is Crypto Big Buck. And if you are subscribed to this channel, you know that we love covering Decentraland. I invite you to check out some of our Decentraland videos. And you also know that we recently said that Decentraland could be the most valuable crypto that you could purchase in 2022, and we listed some reasons. Check out that video as well. But today I want to hyper focus on something that is so exciting that we really need to dig into it and really get behind this and see if it's real. If it's real, it's going to be unbelievable when it comes to Decentraland. And that thing is looking at the actual virtual reality capability that might be coming to Decentraland. To give you an understanding of what I'm saying, I want to read a little bit to you, and then I'm going to show you a little bit that might be coming out and give you my comments. So if you visited Decentraland, and you can do this, you don't have to actually have an account. You can be a guest and go check it out. Let me show you that real quick, just in case you're new here. Just check it out at decentraland.org. It is a virtual world, okay? But it is not actually virtual reality. And I'm going to get into what they mean by that. It says virtual reality is an experience that allows the user to be fully immersed in the game by stimulating as many senses as possible. Decentraland has yet to make a VR experience. Decentraland is built on web-based 3D rendering software, which has been written in a way that allows for interactions on the blockchain. The code for VR is not available for download on any existing headsets. Therefore, gameplay is restricted to only Windows PC and Mac OS devices. This article, let's just scroll up here, you can find at nftexplain.info, okay, talking about a complete guide to Decentraland and what you should know. That being said, it is still extremely fun. They do have the casinos. You can gamble for real or just for fun. You can gamble for real with actual mana as well. And it just has everything you can imagine, you know, buying land, selling NFTs, on and on and on. I invite you, if you're not familiar with Decentraland, to check out our videos on this channel. But here's where the rubber meets the road. For those of you who do know what VR is, you know that these headsets, when you think VR, you need to think about headsets, okay? And there's a number of them. Probably the most popular and iconic of them all is the Oculus, simply because the Mark Zuckerberg purchased Oculus and is making it part of his infrastructure for building his metaverse. That being said, there are many other headsets out there, and there is a word on the street that Apple is coming out with its own headset. The issue is with Decentraland, there is no way to take the headset and actually look at Decentraland. I've actually tried it. You can't do it. You put the Oculus on, put it on your head, you go there, it just says this browser doesn't work. There might be other people who have tried this. If anybody has gotten that to work, I would love to see it. Please leave a comment in the comment section. From my research and from this statement here on NFT Explain, you can see that right now you can't put a headset on and walk around in Decentraland. It's just not going to happen. And if we had that kind of experience, can you imagine what Decentraland would be like if you had an immersive VR experience? Now, they talk like it's never going to happen, but folks, what I'm about to show you kind of is going to upset the apple cart. Let's take a look at what we can see on Reddit. If you look on Reddit, it says VR support for Decentraland sneak peek of early test. And if you look at this picture real close, you see what appears to be hands. Folks, are these people just making stuff up, or is this real? Is it possible and plausible that somebody really has started building a VR capability for Decentraland? If this is true, Decentraland is going to explode beyond anything we can possibly imagine. I said it was going to go to where it was going to go, not even with VR capability. If it has VR capability, you put a headset on, it is going to be nuclear. Okay? Take a look at this thread here. It's a guy on a buffalo wing, a guy on a buffalo garlic blaze boneless wing. I don't know what they're saying here. This is an ad. They're gonna say in this thread here, look at this. Very cool. For anyone who hasn't visited a place like this in VR, it's very compelling. They're telling you about the VR experience like I just told you. But look at this. This is what I want out of Decentraland. VR is the future of the metaverse. It's going to be like VR chat, but a real metaverse. People are excited about this. Been a while. I've said this since I've said this for Decentraland, bullish. That is pretty dope. Folks, if this is really a alpha version of VR capability and support for Decentraland, what will this mean? Look at this stuff. It's only a month old. These posts in Reddit are only a month old. Be nice if they could let us connect controllers at this point. A mouse and keyboard combo is brutal for me since I've never been a PC gamer. So much more fun to be had with mini games if controlling it wasn't as if I was like 5. I think this is a person complaining about the current controls. Look, keep looking at this. There's some more stuff out here. Yes, this is what I've been waiting for. What VR company is handling this? They're saying that somebody's building it. Okay, those of us at xrdevstudio.com, thanks for asking. So here is apparently where it's being built. I might dig into this in the next video. Look at this. No way. This is too good to be true. Will it be available on Oculus? It's happening. Yes, finally. Now this is pod racing. When this happens, mana to moon. I agree totally. It seems so low budget in terms of graphics, though. People are basically weighing in. If this has VR, or will blow up. It will blow up. They're talking about Decentraland. If Decentraland has VR, if we move from the experience of Mac and Windows and using ASDW to move around and using the mouse, and we move to a VR experience, it is going to be absolutely stupid. Okay? I just want to bring your attention to this thread. Look at this. Now the cursing has begun. How does walking work? Look at this. 3 options. 1, teleportation. 2, smooth locomotion with controls. Physically walking. They're talking about being able to use VR controllers to walk around Decentraland. Imagine putting on a headset and not seeing anything else in the room but what you see in Decentraland. Folks, let's go back to the price of Decentraland today. $3.19. It's up 15% on the day. I doubt if this is happening because of the news that I'm sharing with you. This information is just 1 month old. When it starts to get out that this is not a joke, I'm gonna run this one to ground. I'm gonna find out if this is real or not. My next video, I think if you guys would like to see more about this thread and what's going on in this company, I'm gonna run this one to ground because we are talking about a 10-fold increase. Folks, we're talking about a $30 Decentraland. That's what we're talking about. Okay, all these price predictions we've had have been all over the place, but this time, if they can make this thing a VR experience, man, the sky's the limit. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Crypto Big Boss, and I'll catch you on the next one.